Okay. Alright, so here's my video to you, Steven, for today. Yeah. Alright, so my fucking dogs are in here right now. Remember these shits? Shut up! Remember these shits, Steven? I said shut up! You'll get your time. Get over here. You want screen time? You got your screen time. Alright, now I'm kicking it out. I'm putting it on top of my bed. Alright. Okay. I had a funny story to tell you that happened to me today. Okay. Anyways. Okay. Yeah, the story. It was, okay, so yesterday, my brother had a sleepover with his friend because this morning they're going to Niagara Falls for my brother's, birthday party. So, yeah, so his parents were, I don't know, my brother's friends' parents were gone, so, my parents allowed him to stay over here yesterday, and they wouldn't fucking shut up all night, so I was stuck listening to them, and I couldn't fall asleep, like, damn, and, yeah, so I was really tired when I got up this morning, and I got up around 8:30, and, yeah, got up around 8:30, and I was like, holy shit, no, God, why? So I went back to sleep, thinking I was only going to sleep for like 10 minutes, and my class starts at like 8:30, but, I woke up, did I say 8:30? 9:30? My class starts at 9:30, and I woke up at 9:15, and I was like, oh shit, holy shit. So I was like scrambling to get ready for my class, because I was like, holy fuck, I'm going to be late, and it's chemistry, so you know I can't miss that crap, and got my quiz finished, by the way, it's done, yeah, I did it yesterday, and, yeah, so, it's because of them, and I was driving like freaking crazy. I woke up at 9:15, and by 9:30, I was like sitting in class taking notes, which was pretty damn funny. So, yeah, but by the way, I was driving like a fucking maniac because I got there in like the quickest time I ever got there. I got there in like less than 10 minutes, and I was like, holy fuck, move over, you old shits, I'll run you over, because I'm a crazy whore. I don't care if I run you over. And I didn't, because I need to get to class, and they's just old, not contributing to society. You know how old people is. Anyways, so, what else? In geology class, we were talking about dikes again. This teacher's freaking pervert. And, we were talking about how, like, lava gets into people's houses, or, like, when a volcano erupts, how lava gets into people's houses, and they are, like, screwed because, I don't know, they spray the lava with a hose to try to turn it into a dike, and, it doesn't work, so their house burns down. It's pretty funny. But, shit. I was watching this thing yesterday, like, I was awake at, like, I don't know, 11:30 or something, and I was watching, this cartoon. I think you've seen it. It's called, Salad Fingers. It's so fucking funny. I was watching it, and I was watching this one part, and it just made me, like, crack up laughing, because I was just thinking about Julia or something. Hold on, let me find it. Alright, here it is.
I've seen you tailgating my daughter with aspirations of deflating
Yeah. That's what it is. I don't know. It's just pretty funny. And yeah, Julia's coming over later, so gotta get ready for that. And yeah. Okay. I'll keep you posted on that. And there's hair all over my freaking screen. How the hell did that happen? Alright. So yeah, keep you posted. And you keep me you better keep me posted. Alright. So I'll put a video on, I don't know, later, or maybe attached to this one or something. I'll figure something out. About what me and Julia does. And it won't be as fun without you, but you know how it is. We'll make it work. Anyways. Fuck. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Penises! Julia, I've seen you.
Wait, are you
tailgating my daughter with aspirations of deflowering her rose. God, no! What are we gonna do today? Who are we gonna do today? Wait, I can't. This thing is so freaking hard to position. Is it even on her ass? Oh, there it is. What the hell is she doing?
It looks like a...
What the shit? The dog is insane.
Say something.
I don't know. What are we doing today?
I don't know.
What, watching movies?
Please.
Do something funny.
Movies.
Yeah, oh my god. Oh my god, yes. Let's do it.